is an XRP ETF guaranteed by April? I'm going to show you something today that definitely seems to indicate that. If you want to see XRP go over $1, make sure to hit that like button and share this video so people hear the good news about this XRP ETF. Let's get it.
I'm not a financial advisor.
Welcome to Armstrong Crypto X. Don't just trade crypto, experience it, or experience it. XRP Army, look. Guys, look. We want to talk about this ETF today because I've been getting inside information that this ETF is possibly going, the application at least, to be launched by 2024, or excuse me, by April of this year. And maybe this is approved even by then. Absolutely insane. We know the Ethereum ETF news has been absolutely crazy. We're going to look at XRP news, and I'm going to show you something right here, actually, on the screen. Almost guaranteed to show this XRP ETF is going live this year. Guys, Spot Ripple ETF in the U.S. in 2024. Bloomberg expert weighs in. And who is this expert? James Seifert, also known as James Seifert. Guys, he's from Bloomberg Intelligence. And let me tell you, guys, this guy doesn't know anything. We've gone over many stories about James Seifert. So I call him James Seifert. He doesn't know anything. Almost everything he says doesn't happen, and everything he says isn't going to happen does happen. So you guys are guaranteed ETF for XRP this year. Guys, something really big just happened, and we're going to be looking at what's going on with the institutional money flowing into XRP and why you guys should be excited. I believe $1 by Valentine's Day, and I believe $2 by April Fool's Day. I think it's a very strong possibility for XRP. Potentially new all-time highs by the halving if Bitcoin stays sideways a little bit and then runs forward again and lets the market catch up. But guys, this is an important story. This was back in October. JP Morgan and others were required to reveal crypto holdings per new plan. And what does that mean? That means now we have seen their holdings and we know JP Morgan is holding XRP. Breaking, this is a thread I had on x.com. Now, another great place to visit is Stake. Make sure to visit Stake, the channel sponsor of Armstrong Crypto X. Armstrong Crypto X is powered by Stake. As a matter of fact, make sure to check out their world's largest social casino. You can play games, have fun, chat with dealers, chat with friends. It's amazing. Definitely get some gold coins, go earn some Stakes cash for signing up. Get started today. I want to go over this thread that I posted on x.com a few days ago. Breaking. BlackRock and JP Morgan make a massive move into XRP with over 7.5 million tokens. This shift in the crypto landscape is not to be underestimated. JP Morgan's substantial holdings in XRP, a noteworthy revelation. There's a thread on why it's finally time for the XRP army. Why is JP Morgan's move a big deal? They've quietly accumulated over 7.5 million XRP, constituting more than 7.5% of its overall crypto holdings. Marks a significant shift in how the financial world views digital assets. It's not just JP Morgan. BlackRock, the world's largest asset manager, is also exploring the inclusion of XRP in its investment portfolio. This is what institutional crypto adoption looks like. Despite Ripple Labs' ongoing legal challenges with the SEC, these bold moves from major institutions highlight a growing confidence in XRP's future. The legal battle continues, but the big financial players, they're betting on XRP. What does this mean for the future? As BlackRock and JP Morgan heavily invest in XRP, the entire crypto landscape is evolving. We're witnessing a pivotal moment for the integration of cryptocurrencies into mainstream finance. Guys, it's here. And you should be excited if you're in the XRP army because I believe XRP is going to absolutely blow up. Right now, I've got a big XRP leverage trade going on Phemex. You guys can sign up for Phemex and trade with XRP. And also get your Palau ID for your e-residency program where you can sign up and do KYC and trade in 4 to 6 weeks when your card comes in the mail. Phemex is our official trading sponsor. Also, don't forget to grab your Surfshark VPN and your high IQ trading indicator. All right, guys, XRP ETF. Now, what does this mean? Well, let me tell you the inside information that I'm being given about not just the ETF, but the IPO for XRP. What I'm being told is that there have not been any firm decisions on the IPO date yet. What's going on is because this ETF news has come up so fast and it is just rocking the XRP world right now, including Ripple Labs, because they're not the ones that are doing the ETF. It'll be traditional institutions. Because that is going on right now, everybody's kind of forgotten about the IPO, but that's something that's still a major part of the plan, still a major part of XRP getting to maybe over $20 even. The fact is, the IPO now, we don't know when it's going to come. They're feeling it out because the ETF, no one can tell you when that IPO is going to launch right now because they've not made the decision. Anybody who's telling you that is wrong. So what does all that mean? That means now it looks like where I thought at the end of the bull run we were going to get all the explosive XRP moves, looks like now with this ETF coming, we get some explosive XRP moves on the front side. And that sounds good to me. All right, guys, make sure to hit that like button on your way out. It helps us keep the lights on. Be blessed.